Good afternoon, keepers of cash. Gary B, the Casual Comic Guy here, and today we're looking at Bizarre Adventures, issue number 26. And why are we looking at this? Well, from the creator of Conan, we have Kull the Barbarian, a Robert E. Howard epic hero and a savage tale of sword and sorcery, but this book is important for another reason. Not only was it written by Doug Moench, but this is the first ever art, and this was published in 1981, of Mr. John Bolton for Marvel Comics. This was his first job, and he just loves sword and sorcery, and Kull was a fantastic fit for him. And as you can see, for an art debut at a major publisher, this is just stunning, stunning, beautiful work. And John Bolton has always been one of my favorites, and just a glorious story too. But that's it for today, guys. Until next time, keep it casual.